Hello everyone, this is Camille's room. Whenever she's done being silly, she wants to give you guys a small, tiny tour, right? Okay, she's still being silly, so well, maybe she'll calm down. Show us your room, let's see.
Sorry.
Show us everything fun and exciting about your room. Go ahead, Camille. Show us the fun stuff in your room.
This is my slide.
That's your slide. It's on your bed. You have a really cool bed.
Look how I slide.
You will not let this balloon go.
Woo.
Woo-woo. Good job. Okay, what's under your bed?
I sleep under here.
You don't.
Yes.
What's under there? What are those? A lot of books? How many books do you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got 6.
I think you have more books than that, but okay. What else you want to show? Are there some toys on your bed? Those must be some real special toys to be on top of your bed like that. Are those your baby dolls?
Yeah.
They get to sleep on the bed with you? That's cool. Can you show us your table?
Guys, do you want to see how I practice my moves?
Can you show us your table?
No, not yet.
What did I tell you about saying no to mommy?
Sorry.
Okay, so show us your room, because that's why we're here, right? You have some toys.
I want to play with my blocks.
Okay, y'all, so kids and attention span, they have none. So I guess I'll show them your room. Maybe this should be my room.
No, it's my room.
Okay, show us your toy bin.
Do you want to see my balloon?
No, show us your toy bin.
No, I want to see my balloon.
We already seen it. You've been showing out with it the whole time. That's the only thing you showed us was your balloon.
But
They want to see where your toys are. They want to know more about your makeup vanity. You have a TV here. You like to watch TV. That's a very nice dresser. And I know it's a mess, but this is her bookshelf. And then still a mess.
balloon.
Clothing rack, and that's her closet. It's all a mess. So we're going to focus
The
back
water
this way.
balloon is almost hit.
Listen, we're showing your room. Stop.
I am showing my room.
You're not. You're doing everything else. You asked to do this video. Show us your toys and your vanity.
This is my slide. This is my toy. This is my toys. This is my TV. And that's my closet. That's my couch. That's my hanger. And this is my books.
Wait, what's your closet and what's your hanger? What was that?
This is my slide. This is my bed. This is my toys. This is my toys. And this is my TV. This is my couch. This is my clothes. This is my books all day.
Bookshelf.
Bookshelf.
Oh, you do have a little couch right there. That's what you were talking about. That's your Doc McStuffin couch. Right up under your clothing rack. Silly girl. And your bookshelf.
Yeah.
And there's a table right in front of me. You have a lovely dresser. There's your table. Where we sometimes allow you to eat, right? Because we don't eat in here, right? We eat downstairs.
Yeah.
Her toy bin. Over there in the corner is Chaos. And then we have her lovely library under her loft bed that is included with this lovely slide. Camille loves her bed.
Mommy.
Yep.
Do you want to see my beautiful closet?
What's in your beautiful closet? Go ahead and open the door for us. The door is going to need to be painted, so that's why they look yucky. And the closet is a mess, but
I told you it's a mess.
we have some bins up there at the top, some clothes kind of hung up, and she has 2 shoe racks.
The box is broken, so it must be hurting you.
It's kind of a mess over here. Okay.
So
Anything else you want to show us in your cool room, like this lovely easel? Granddaddy bought you this.
what easel?
The red thing. Remember we talked about this. It's called an easel.
This?
Yep. And you draw on it, and you have letters.
Granddaddy brought me this.
Yeah.
What
And she has
is
a mirror.
this his name?
Yeah, that says name. Your name should be there. How you spell your name?
C
Mm-hmm.
A
Mm-hmm.
M L E
C-A-M-I-L-L-E.
L
I
E.
don't know how to spell your name. Okay, but that's Camille's room, you guys. She's my little silly Millie, my little jumping jelly bean. And this is her room, filled with toys and joy. We just cleaned it up. It was a complete disaster, and I wanted her to do her own little room tour for you guys. So this is a little snippet, not too much in detail. And I don't even know how many books she has, so I don't know why I asked her.
Old.
You're 3.
I'm still 3. I don't want to be 3.
Oh, when's your birthday?
January 17th.
Okay, so on January 17th, you'll be 4.
Oh, I don't want to be 4. I want to be 5.
You want to be 5?
Yeah.
Oh, it's coming.
But
Don't rush it.
Grandma said I'm growing up.
You are growing. You're growing really fast.
This is how April 6th grow.
That's why you said you wanted to be 6?
Yes.
Because you found the number 6 in there?
Yeah, because this is how April 6th grow.
Gotcha.
But do you know how April 7 goes?
I don't know what you mean by that. Okay, I'm about to turn her TV back on and let her just have at it. We just cleaned this room up. Hopefully it stays clean, right?
7,
Hey, the room is going to stay clean, right?
7, 8,
And her blinds are there. They're
9,
just pulled all the way up so we could
12,
see.
13,
And she has a
14,
lamp.
15,
Because her
8,
ceiling fan, the light is broken. And I bought her a new one. I just have to have it installed.
7,
Let's turn this TV off so she can just
6,
chill out.
8. That's plus 1.
I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of your room. I'm glad you really like it. Can you tell the camera, say bye, YouTube. Thanks for watching.
Oh, I gotta show them one more thing.
Well, okay. Where you going? We gonna get your vacuum?
No,
Oh, okay. What you gonna get?
I know.
Oh, go ahead. We'll be surprised. Just show me. I know what she's doing. We really just cleaned this room. What are you getting?
You'll see
Okay.
my new socks that you brought from the store for me.
They can't see.
Look.
Very nice.
They're not saying, oh, that's beautiful.
You can't hear anybody. We haven't.
They're not talking.
It's a phone. It's a camera.
Camera, this is my beautiful
Okay,
thing.
Camille, back up. You want to do a clothing haul? You want to show everybody the new clothes you have?
Yeah.
Okay. So turn around and say, all right, stay tuned for my next video.
Stay tuned for my next video.
All right, say bye.
Bye. Let's do another one now.
Let's do another one. Go stand right here and try to do it. We gotta find some real good. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off and we're gonna do the next video, okay? Okay.
Let's do the video